Vast blocks of ice collapsing into the sea off Antarctica are slowly increasing the level of the world's oceans. Scientists from the British Antarctic Survey say global warming could be having a greater effect on the polar cap than previously thought. Our science correspondent Christine McGurty reports.
A pristine, frozen wilderness. But this is a continent undergoing dramatic changes, and what happens here could affect us all. So how is the climate changing in the Antarctic? Scientists have been studying the Pine Island Glacier. The floating ice there is breaking up. As a result, glaciers on land spill into the sea faster than expected, causing sea levels to rise.
Humans are very adaptable. I think if the climate changes, what really matters is the rate of change. If significant things happen, if sea level rises on timescales of 20 to 50 years, which it might do, we don't know, but it might do, then that's when society has a big problem coping.
The continent has already lost vast stretches of ice in the last 50 years. If it melted completely, that could raise global sea levels dramatically. And at the other end of the world, the Arctic is feeling the heat too. Icebergs are breaking up faster than ever. A new study has found that if the planet warms by just 2 degrees, the Arctic will warm up by 3 times that amount. Polar bears could become extinct.
If the sea ice disappears or starts melting, they're going to have basically less space to hunt. Also, there will be less space in terms of breeding space, because that's very much where the female polar bears tend to go. So that's the second problem with it.
Back in the Antarctic, it's the penguins that are losing their habitat. Some species are already in decline, and scientists are warning that unless we can stop climate change, the effects worldwide could be devastating. Christine McGurty, BBC News.